Last time you're gonna see these handlebars, I got the KST 6 bend 12-inch, which I think are gonna fit me just right. I'm taking the bike in, so the next time you see the bike or the next video we're gonna do, it'll have the upgrades. And the other upgrade it's going to have, it's right there, upgraded front suspension. I'm gonna show you what happens with that video camera when I hit the brakes. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Fly&Ride here. So I thought I would give you an interesting view that up there is my niece and my daughter, and I am going out for a quick ride because this is the last time you're gonna see these handlebars. That's right, I am taking the bike in for some upgrades, and I cannot wait. She's probably like, what in the world is my uncle doing? Figured we try this different view. Hopefully you're enjoying it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. For it right here, and I'm going to show you how quick it is to change the camera with these mounts that we just did. Look at this. Boom, done. So check this out. Come right here, boom, and you got yourself another view. Put this bad boy away. And it is that simple. Little cruise control. Don't do it. Don't do it. So back to the upgrades. Last time you're going to see these handlebars, I got the KST 6 bend 12-inch, which I think are going to fit me just right. I'm taking the bike in, so the next time you see the bike or the next video we're going to do, it'll have the upgrades. And the other upgrade it's going to have, it's right there, upgraded front suspension. I'm going to show you what happens with that video camera when I hit the brakes. So I'm going to show you the shocks right now. I'm going to switch over to the 360 so you can see how these shocks are moving. Look at that. I mean, you just hit the brakes and the nose just dives right down. suspension is what I have in the rear, which is absolutely awesome, and that's what I got for the front suspension. So that's the other upgrade. So again, this will be the last time that you see that. Hopefully you can see how the shocks are moving right now. Gas her up, ready to go to the shop, and I can't wait to give you my first impressions, the full review on both the handlebars as well as the Legends front. You're going to want to stay tuned for that. And if you're new to the channel, on this channel, I do ride videos, motovlogs on my 2020 Street Glide CVO sand dune that you see right here. I also provide some cinematic drone footage, flying the DJI MAVIC 2 drone. And most of my rides are all around New Jersey, the great state of New Jersey, all of the beauty that it has to offer. And on most of the rides, I'll do a motovlog, ride video, and flight of either the amazing parks or the amazing scenery that, again, New Jersey has to offer. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as part of the journey. To my over 257 now subscribers, thank you so much. So appreciate all of you, appreciate you watching, appreciate the comments, and really appreciate it. And thanks for sticking with me as I continue to grow and learn and improve to get you amazing footage and amazing videos. So again, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And also remember to hit that bell icon so you can be reminded of future content. So quick video today. Again, I just wanted to give you the before and after handlebars, stock shocks, which are garbage. Show you those angles and gas up the bike. And again, next time you see her, she's gonna have new handlebars and new shocks, and I can't wait. I don't know if you could see that. 2808. So right at 3,000, we're gonna do a 3,000 mile first year review, full review. I've been talking a lot about this video. I've obviously been waiting to get to the 3,000 mile. I'll be there within the next 2 weeks. So again, stay tuned to the channel and check out that 3,000 mile first year review of the 2020 Street Glide CVO. All right. I'll show you this little trick. 93, so you don't spill any gas. All right, this is where this really works. Take the gas cap right underneath there, and no spillage. That's simple. Bring it back, and we're done. 18 bucks, almost 5 gallons. Nice and full. They have the fair going on here. Check it out. Wow, that's a lot of people. I'm assuming this is the Lincroft Fair. Oh, those are pretty huge lines. Everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Also remember to subscribe. We'd love to have you as we continue to grow. And remember to hit that bell icon so you can be reminded of future updates. Thanks for watching.